EasyBase, the all-year-round building system for conservatories and garden buildings. Save time and money with the revolutionary EasyBase system. No need for diggers on your lawn. No need for concrete lorries in your drive. No need for piles of bricks in your garden. No need for skips. No need to dig out back-breaking footings, just small pads. The fastest and easiest conservatory base on the market. The EasyBase system is designed to be built efficiently in all weathers, all year round by any DIY or tradesman, saving you time and money where it matters. Our base is guaranteed to fit your conservatory. No mismeasures and costly mistakes. Just watch how easily a two-man team can erect an entire base and conservatory from start to finish in only 2 days. Impossible with conventional systems. Day 1. Using the pad plan that you are sent prior to the build, mark out and dig your pads in advance. In this, we have used fast-setting concrete. The area is then covered with a damp-proof membrane. Steel framework is carried and placed in position. Using our simple layout system, each piece is marked to correspond with your custom pad plan. EasyBase fixes together with bolts supplied in the kit, along with wall fasteners. The base is then levelled using the adjustable feet. Longer skirt is available for uneven ground. With the base now level, you can start putting your brick panels into place. They are tack screwed to the steel frame and bolted together. Each wall section is light and easily lifted into place. No heavy block work in sight. All panels are prefabricated and are available in a wide range of finishes to match a wide range of house bricks or plain board for rendering. The walls are pre-clad and only require brick slips supplied, fixed in place and pointed. Now all the wall is complete, place the sill on top of the wall. Measure and fix into place using tack screws. Before erecting, cross-dimensional checks are made before finally fixing down the sill. With the sill in position, the first wall starter plate is fixed to the first house wall. The first window frame is then placed on top of the sill, and as you can see, the black lugs on the bottom slot into the rooted sill and then slide up to the wall starter. Then using Connect technology, the Allen locking bolts can be locked into position. Reinforced aluminium locking bars are inserted for strength and speed. This allows the frames to be pre-glazed with no worry about smashing glass. Once all the frames are in place, attach the roof ring beam and screw down into place. Silicone is then applied to the top of the box gutter and flash band to the house wall. Day 2. Now you can start fixing the roof spars. Once all the spars are in place, the polycarbonate roof sheets are put into place. Roof end caps are now added and the guttering put into position. Using the building adhesive supplied with the kit, the brick slips are attached to the wall ready for pointing. The floor insulation can now be fitted to the steel. Simply push down till you hit the stops, and this can then be covered with 18mm chipboard flooring. Day 3. With the structure now complete, all electrics along with any plumbing can now take place. Plastering can then commence. Simply add rock wool insulation into the cavity, then cover with plasterboard, ready to plaster. Your conservatory is complete for decoration and for your enjoyment. Easy Base, the all-year-round building system for conservatories and garden buildings.